Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Campaign Manager, manage B2B ads step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Go to linkedin.com and make sure the page loads correctly. Click the sign in button at the top of the page. Enter your LinkedIn email address or phone number in the first field. Enter your LinkedIn password in the second field. Click sign in to access your LinkedIn account. If you use two-step verification, enter the security code sent to your device. After you log in, look at the top navigation bar on the LinkedIn homepage. Click the work grid icon in the top right corner. Scroll down in the menu until you see the Advertise option. Click Advertise to open LinkedIn Campaign Manager in a new page. If you do not see Advertise, type Campaign Manager in the LinkedIn search bar and open the result. On the Campaign Manager page, select the correct ad account from the list. If you have multiple accounts, check the account name and currency to avoid choosing the wrong one. If you do not have an ad account yet, click Create Account and follow the prompts. Confirm your billing country and time zone because these settings affect reporting. Now you are inside Campaign Manager, where you can manage campaigns, audiences, and budgets. Click the Account Assets menu to access matched audiences, insight tag, and other tools. Click Campaign Groups to organize your marketing efforts by product, region, or quarter. Click Campaigns to view all active, paused, and draft campaigns in the account. Use the Date Range selector to control the time period shown in your results. Click the Columns drop-down to choose which performance metrics you want to see. Click any campaign name to open detailed settings like objective, targeting, and placements. To create a new campaign, click Create and select the campaign objective that matches your goal. Set your audience targeting carefully, focusing on B2B criteria like job title, seniority, and company size. Choose your budget and schedule, then select bid strategy based on your optimization goal. Upload your ad creative or build a new ad, then review the preview on desktop and mobile. Click Launch when you are ready, and monitor delivery and results from the Campaign Manager dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.